Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform hard reset through settings on HUAWEI Mate 70. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and now you have to scroll down and go to System and Updates. Now you have to go to Reset, then click Reset Phone, and now you have to scroll down and click Reset Phone. Then you have to enter your lock screen pattern and click Reset Phone. Now click Continue, and now you have to connect to your Wi-Fi network. Then click OK, and click Reset Phone and Continue, and you have to enter your password. Then click Logout. And as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings, and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.